It was raining heavily when I stepped out to get some Ganpati decoration. Little did I know that I would come across something that will give me an inspiration to create today's video. Hi, my name is Prajakta and I'm going to tell you today that why it is not always a good idea to reinvent the wheel when it comes to UX design, and what can you do to avoid these mistakes while you are building your new product. Let's come back to the story. When I went out, it was a peak of pandemic. I had no cash left on me. I went to the nearest market, bought some fresh flowers, and then I tried to give him the Google Pay. Unfortunately, he was not accepting Google Pay or any other mode of transaction, which is online transaction. So I asked him, where is the ATM? He pointed out to me and said that, Madam, वो corner में आपको ATM मिल जाएगा. I said like, okay, ठीक है. It was somewhere around 200 steps away from the place. So I walked up to there and I looked for the ATM. No sign of ATM. Then I walked to the nearby vendor and asked the nearby vendor कि भैया यहाँ पे ATM कहाँ पे है? Same thing. He told me, he pointed out to the same corner and said that, Madam, वो corner में आपको मिल जाएगा. Said okay, maybe I missed out because of this raining and everything. I'm carrying a lot of things in my hands and all. I decided to give one more shot. I went to our next vendor. Maybe the first vendor did not understand what really ATM means. So let's take another chance. I went to another vendor. I asked him that, भैया यहाँ पे ATM कहाँ पे है? Bhaiya pointed out to the same corner. Now, by this time I was really confused and frustrated. On top of it, I was wet. So I went to that corner again, and then I saw this signage, e-lobby. Okay, what this e-lobby could be? Maybe, everything is getting done inside with electronically. Maybe the bank is getting done everything electronically. That's why it is written e-lobby. Who knows? So I went inside and I opened the door, and there were 3 ATM machines sitting there inside that room with the label of e-lobby. First, it made me very angry. Second, it made me realize what really happens when you try to reinvent the wheel. Why am I giving you this example? Because entrepreneurs or companies are not immune to this mistake. I see this happening too many times when conventions are getting replaced under the name of innovation. Now, some of you might be wondering, what is convention? A convention is something, very simply put, is a pattern to which your brain has got used to due to multiple exposures that it has received through multiple eras or through multiple timelines. For an example, now if you see, for one last decade, 10 years, you are used to know what hamburger menu is and where to find it. If you open a mobile, and you will find hamburger menus either towards his right or towards his left top corner. Now, if you replace the hamburger's menu's location towards the bottom of the application, it will be confusing for the user. What gets really messed up and really it worsens the whole scenario when these so-called inventions are never tested with the real users. Why do you think this whole scenario of e-lobby happened? Because it was never tested with the real users. Real users like you and me who are going to go to the ATMs in the crowded market area and looking for that ATM sign. If you try to replace that, at least you should have tested it. Remember, the application that you are building or the website that you are using to sell your services and your products, they are for users. It doesn't matter what your management thinks, your sales team thinks, what your marketing team thinks, or even the designer himself or herself thinks about the application. It is actually only about what users experience while they are using that application. So, the first rule is, don't try to reinvent the wheel. And the second one is, if you're trying to do that, just make sure that you are using it or you are testing it with the real users. What do you think? Have you come across these kind of blunders while you are using some applications and websites or any other area? Let me know in the comment below. This is Prajakta signing off. Remember, awareness is key to improve user experience.